Time for Bed, Panda by Joe Lodge. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Hello, Panda. Time for a bath. Splish, splash. Can you say it with me? Bath, bubbles, towel. Bath, bubbles, towel. Let's wear our pyjamas. Sip, slurp. Can you say it with me? T-shirt, trousers, slippers. T-shirt, trousers, slippers. It's time to brush your teeth. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Can you say it with me? Toothbrush, toothpaste, sink. Toothbrush, toothpaste, sink. What is your story about? Wow! Whee! Can you say it with me? Book, light, teddy. Book, light, teddy. Sweet dreams, Panda. Can you say it with me? Bed, moon, milk. Bed, moon, milk. Bye-bye. Good night. Be good for Mommy and Daddy.